Hi, it's Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm talking you through this beautiful brand new Mintay collection called Happy Place. This is the 12 by 12 collection, and have a look at those beautiful pictures that you can cut out. You've got a little bicycle, you've got the hammock, you've got the pink ribbon, a leafy branch there, a balloon, floral clusters, butterflies, park bench. I love the roller skates. Let's have a look at the papers. This one's beautiful. You've got one big cluster up here and then one smaller cluster down there. On the back, you've got some lovely script writing. I love this page. I love the brick wall. I love the bicycle and the hammock. It's beautiful. I love the colours in this collection. On the reverse side, oh, beautiful gingham in aqua and white. So lovely. Let's have a look at this page. Oh my goodness, look at this page. Like, this is beautiful. Look at that window. Corolla does such a beautiful job with her windows. That is amazing. On the reverse, you've got the shabby chic distressed wooden paneling, sort of like grey and white tones in the background. So you've got the pastel colours on the grey and white background tones. This is a lovely floral page. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, you could put a photo in there. You've got 4 white wooden frames. This is another floral page, beautiful colours, and on the back you've got the beautiful pink gingham. I love gingham, it's beautiful. What else have we got? This is the number 6 paper. It's got 12 3x4 little cutouts that you can trim down, you can fussy cut. You can put them into cards. And on the reverse, oh, I love the frames. You've got the frames here. Very nice. So I think that is all the papers, because you get 2 of each in the 12 by 12 set. So that's the second set of all those papers. I need to show you the cardboard sticker sheet for Happy Place. Lots and lots of lovely sentiments here. Live well, laugh often, love much. Very positive collection. Yeah, Happy Place. Who wouldn't want to create with this collection, seriously? Let's have a look in the 6x6. Got the same designs again, just smaller version. Perfect for card making, mini albums. It's very pretty designs. What a beautiful collection. I can't wait to make something with this collection. So that is Mintay Papers Happy Place Collection. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay up to date with all of the Mintay paper collections, and have a lovely crafty day.